So I learned how to make some Olive Garden pasta. And now, I'm show you how to do it. So I realized that I had a crock pot, some chicken, some penne pasta, some cream cheese, some Olive Garden Italian dressing, some Parmesan cheese, and a fully capable individual. So I thought,
Boy, quit goofing off and make some food.
I'll just get straight to it. First, I added my Olive Garden dressing. Then I added 2 chicken breastises. Next, I added a nice amount of Parmesan cheese, a block of cream cheese, some black pepper, and the rest of the Olive Garden dressing. All of it. Now, all I had to do is wait about 4 hours for everything to be finished.
3 hours later.
Now that the pasta's cooked off and we're giving it a little bit of time to cool down, we can go ahead and shred the chicken up. I had a little bit of help on this one because I just don't have the skills for shredding chicken. I added the pasta, gave it a stir, and oh boy, does that smell good. I added the last of the Parmesan cheese, and voila! That's nice. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.
Bruh.
You smacked the camera again.